What's going on, YouTube? Coming from my garage to you, Bitcoin just hit 100K. And you're thinking, now what? Okay, well, we just hit this major milestone. It probably dropped back down to like 95, maybe even 90s, lower than that, maybe 85, maybe 75. I don't know. As a recording this video, Bitcoin just hit 97,000. So maybe it's already at 100K. And once again, it's gonna dip and maybe jump back up. The milestone 100K is just of a bigger milestone as it was 10K or 50K. Like, these milestones happen, but then life goes on. So what do you do now? Well, as I said before in past videos, it is best to get in Bitcoin as low as you can. You just want to continue to stack stacks. You want to continue to educate and teach people about Bitcoin. And it's no real big deal. I mean, yes, we hit this point, but we want to get to the point where governments and other private agencies such as Apple, Microsoft, and a lot of these big tech companies, they're saying, yes, we are going to start holding Bitcoin, and we empty out all the reserves of the miners, and Bitcoin now becomes legal tender, and we can like trade it. We can purchase things with it. We can now factor, okay, what is the actual price of Satoshis? And I think 100K is far from where we're gonna go. I think it's well past it. I think once it does hit 100K, everyone has to notice. Like, it's gonna be headline news, Bitcoin hits 100K. Everyone's gonna see it. I am telling you, as of right now, as I'm recording this video, Bitcoin hitting 100K. If not a month later, Bitcoin is going to be well surpassed that. Maybe 120, 150, right? 500K. Like, it's going to take off like a rocket, and everyone's going to want to get their hands on it. And I might be wrong. I could be wrong. If I am wrong, if Bitcoin will hit 100K and it'll continue to do a slow consolidate, and it might stay flat, or like I said, it might just take off. But we shall see. Once again, Bitcoin just hit 100K because it's guaranteed at this point. For it to go to 97.5 as we're recording this video, and for it not to hit 100K, it's kind of like basketball terms, it's a pump fake. It's like, oh, 100K and not shooting, just pass it, right? Yeah, it's a quick video. Bitcoin 100K. Keep stacking your stats and keep educating the world, your friends, your family, co-workers. Keep spreading the knowledge of Bitcoin. My phone battery's about to die. My phone's about to die. Anywho, that is the end of the video. Stack stats. Into the next one. Peace.